Good morning, students. Today I am going to take your social study class, chapter 6, Our Food and Water. Okay, take out your book and take out chapter 6 and start read with me. Okay, let's start. Food is our basic need. We know that food is our basic requirement. Without food we can't live. Okay, for a long. So every living being need food to grow and to live alive. Okay, we all eat food. We cannot live without it. We all need food. Everybody need food, and we cannot live without food. We know that, students, you can live without food for 7 days, for 10 days, or for long, for a month. No, we cannot live without food. Okay, food is a very essential part of our life. Every living being need food. Okay, okay. Acha, here is some points. Food, what are the features of food? Food gives us energy to work and play. If we can't eat food, we don't get energy to do our work. Either whatever you are doing, for by taking food, food gives you energy. So food is required to get energy from for doing our work. Okay, it helps us to grow. If you cannot eat food properly, you can't grow well. Okay, so you have to eat proper food, balanced diet. Okay, it makes us healthy and strong. If you can't eat food properly, it makes you very weak, very thin. But if you take your food properly, it makes you healthy and strong. By We eat 3 meals in a day. Generally, we eat 3 meals in a day. What say? First is breakfast, then lunch, then dinner. 3 basic meal we take in a day. First is our breakfast, then lunch, and then dinner. Okay. Breakfast. Food we eat in the morning is called breakfast. If you ask you what is breakfast, so you say that the food we eat in the morning, first meal in the morning, is called our breakfast. In breakfast, we should have what should you take in your breakfast? Burger, pizza, or fast food? No, you have to take a proper or healthy food. Okay, just like a glass of milk, vegetables, glass juice, glass of juice, or egg, bread, chapati, dal, okay, butter, banana. You can take this in your breakfast. Okay. Acha, lunch. So what is lunch? If I ask you what is lunch, say, student, what is lunch? The food which we eat in the afternoon is called a lunch. The food we eat in the afternoon is called a lunch. So what we eat in the lunch? We eat, what should we take? So we should take dal, chapati, rice, vegetables. If somebody is non-vegetarian, they can eat meat, fish, egg. Okay, you can take this. And those who are vegetarian, they can eat paneer, curd. Okay, dal, chapati, rice, vegetables, lots of vegetables, chutney you can take. So if I ask you what is dinner? The food we take at night is called a dinner. The food we take at night is called a dinner. We should take chapati and green vegetables pulses in the dinner. We can take green vegetables, chapati, soup, pulses in our dinner. Okay. Acha, our body need at least 6 to 8 glass of water in a day. How many glass of water you should take in a day? Everybody needs 6 to 8 glasses of water. Should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day, because water helps you to exhale all waste product from your body, and it also helps your body to work properly and smoothly. Okay. We eat different kinds of food. We eat pizza, burger, fast food. We eat pizza, burger, butter, ghee, bread, rice, chapati, all these things. We eat different kinds of food like bread, rice, chapati, butter, ghee gives us energy. Milk, dal, pulses, meat, egg, fish help us to grow. Okay. Fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy and strong. They protect us from various diseases. So everybody should take your fruits, lots of fruits. Okay. And in these days you should take a citrus food, just like a lemon. You should take a lemonade, mossambi, sweet lime, and you can eat you can take a juice of amla. So everybody should take fruits in every day. Okay. They protect us from various diseases. And nowadays corona is very much drastic. So everybody should take his meal properly. Proper food and great and immunity. Your immunity helps you, protect you from this disease. So you should be very much careful about it. Okay. Achha, some foods are not good for us. Which foods are not good for us? Just like a junk food. Too much spicy, oily, fried. So you should not take too much of this kind of food. They are what? So if I ask you what are junk food? Some foods are not good for us. They are called junk food. Junk food does not make us healthy and strong. These foods are not healthy and strong. It has some adverse effect in our body. So we should avoid this type of food. People who eat meat, egg, fish are called non-vegetarian. So what are non-vegetarian? People who eat meat, egg and fish are called non-vegetarian. And people who do not eat meat, chicken, fish, egg are called vegetarians. Okay. Achha, remember, eating too much of junk foods like toffees, chocolates, burger, pizza, cold drinks are not good for our health. It makes our body obesity. Okay. Fat. So you should avoid this kind of food. Okay, student. Next is water. By taking your food, you should take a proper amount of water. Every day you should take 6 to 8 glasses of water for proper digestion, proper health. All living things need water to stay alive. We can't live water with we can't live water without we can't live without water in a day. How do you feel when you do not drink water for 2 or 3 hours? How do you feel? You feel very much thirsty. So proper water is very essential part in our body. Beside food, you have to we can't live without water for 3 to more than 3 to 4 hours. Okay, we need water every day for various uses. There are various uses of water for drinking, washing, cleaning. Everywhere we need water. Okay, we need water in daily life for many purposes. Some of the main uses are shown in the picture, just like a bathing, cooking, drinking, cleaning. In all these activities we need water. Without water we can't do anything. Sources of so now we think that where we get water. What are the sources of water? The main sources of water is our rain. Rain is the main source of our water. When it rains, the rainwater goes into the river, lakes, ponds and seas. And rivers, lakes, ponds and seas are the sources of water. Main source of water is rain. And after that, where it is stored? It's stored in a river, a pond, seas. Okay. Some rainwater goes deep into the ground. These are called groundwater. Some rainwater goes into the ground and these water are called groundwater. We get groundwater through where we get groundwater? From wells, tube wells and hand pumps. By where we get underground water, groundwater? By wells, tube wells and hand pumps. River, lake, rain, pond, seas are the sources of water. Do not waste. Water is very precious, students. You know that very well. So, we should not waste water. We should not waste a single drop of water. If you see that your tap is running for a long, you should keep your tap closed. Immediately you should close your tap. Water is so important that is why it is called life. The other name of water is life. Okay, so we should not waste water. Take as much as water as you need. Take a short breath. Turn off the tap when not in use. Store water in clean container. These are some basic points for storage of uses of our water. Okay. Here in short, I am explaining you all need water and food to live. Food gives us energy to work and play. Food helps us to grow strong and healthy. We eat different kinds of food. We should not eat junk food. We must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Okay, students. In our next class, we will discuss our question answer, fill in the blanks and whole exercise. Now your task is to read this chapter again properly. By reading this chapter, you can understand this very well and your reading will be practiced apart. So students, in this chapter we learn about food and what are the features of food, what are the uses of water, where are the sources of water, and how many meals we should take, how much water should we take. So in this chapter we learn this. So you read in this chapter very well. Okay, till then, till our next class, bye bye, take care.